wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dewi Purnamasari, dosen program studi Sastra Inggris, Fakultas Keguruan, Ilmu Pendidikan dan Bahasa, Universitas Bina Dharma. Di kampus ini saya mengampu beberapa mata kuliah dan salah satunya adalah English Phonology. English Phonology ini adalah mata kuliah yang diberikan ke mahasiswa semester 4 dengan bobot SKS 3 SKS. Pada pertemuan perkuliahan pertama, biasanya saya menjelaskan tentang proses perkuliahan yang akan saya ajarkan selama 1 semester. Sebelum itu, saya menjelaskan terlebih dahulu tentang kontrak perkuliahan, deskripsi mata kuliah, capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah, kajian pokok atau pokok bahasan, dan juga penilaian. Mata kuliah English Phonology ini merupakan mata kuliah lanjutan dari mata kuliah English Pronunciation yang telah diberikan pada semester sebelumnya. Mata kuliah ini berhubungan dengan pembelajaran phonological rules yang meliputi fitur-fitur bunyi dalam bahasa Inggris dan organisasinya. Capaian pembelajaran lulusan meliputi 2 hal. Yang pertama, sikap dan tata nilai dan penguasaan pengetahuan. Pada sikap dan tata nilai, mahasiswa diharapkan untuk memiliki kedisiplinan yang tinggi, dan yang kedua, mampu melaksanakan segala sesuatu dengan efektif dan efisien. Sedangkan pada penguasaan pengetahuan, mahasiswa diharapkan untuk memiliki pengetahuan konsep teoritis terhadap bahasa Inggris dalam bidang linguistik dan sastra, yaitu fonetik, morfologi, tata bahasa atau gramatika, sintaksis, semantik, pragmatik, analisis wacana, prosa, puisi, drama, serta kritik sastra. Dan yang kedua, mahasiswa diharapkan mampu memiliki pengetahuan berbicara di depan umum, baik menggunakan bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar. Materi pembelajaran atau bahan kajian pada mata kuliah English Phonology di semester ini meliputi yang pertama, recognizing and describing the specific linguistic terms in phonetics and phonology. Yang kedua, describing the organs of speech and their mechanism to produce the speech sounds. Yang ketiga, clarifying the distinctive features of the speech sounds. Yang keempat, describing the role of phonology in language learning. Dan yang kelima, describing basic phonological rules in English. Sekarang saya akan menjelaskan CPMK atau capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah English Phonology ini. Yang pertama, mahasiswa menjadi terampil menggunakan bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar secara lisan maupun secara tulisan dalam konteks komunikasi umum, akademis, pekerjaan dengan standar mutu, serta untuk tujuan tertentu, misalnya English for specific purposes. Dan yang kedua, mahasiswa mampu mengaplikasikan kaidah kebahasaan secara lisan dan tertulis dalam bentuk kajian bahasa dan sastra Inggris. Yang ketiga, mahasiswa mampu mengenal dan menjelaskan istilah-istilah linguistik yang ditemukan pada English Phonology. Dan yang terakhir, mahasiswa memiliki pengetahuan tentang konsep, prinsip, dan metode pelafalan bahasa Inggris, produksi wicara manusia, dan juga alat ucap manusia pada English Phonology ini. Adapun bahan kajian yang akan saya ajarkan kepada mahasiswa yaitu yang pertama, sounds yang meliputi consonants, vowels, dan diphthongs, dan juga IPA symbols, organ of speech, manner of articulation, place of articulation, vowels of articulation, diphthongs of articulations, phonetics features, syllables, intonation, kinds of phonological rules, dan morphophonemics. Metode pembelajaran yang saya lakukan di kelas English Phonology salah satunya adalah dengan metode interactive lecturing dengan pendekatan student-centered learning. Mode pembelajaran yang dilakukan di program studi sastra Inggris meliputi yang pertama offline learning atau dilakukan secara langsung tatap muka, dan yang kedua online learning yang bisa dilakukan melalui Zoom meeting atau Google Meet, dan yang ketiga blended learning. Pada perkuliahan offline, online, maupun blended learning, mahasiswa dituntut untuk bisa datang tepat waktu, mematuhi tata perkuliahan yang berlaku, tertib, mampu mengendalikan diri dengan baik, berbicara dengan sopan dan santun, serta berpakaian yang rapi dan pantas. Bagi mahasiswa yang ingin mengakses seluruh materi yang telah dibahas di kelas ataupun Zoom video recording, bisa dilakukan dengan cara mengakses e-learning.binadharma.ac.id. Sekarang saya akan menjelaskan tentang penilaian yang akan saya lakukan di akhir semester yang meliputi absensi perkuliahan, diskusi atau tanya jawab yang dilakukan mahasiswa di kelas, presentasi, mid semester, dan juga UAS, yang pada akhirnya penilaian dari semua komponen akan digabungkan dan menjadi nilai yang diberikan kepada mahasiswa tersebut. Baiklah, sekarang mari kita simak video pembelajaran yang saya lakukan pada kelas English Phonology menggunakan Zoom Meeting.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning students. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you. Thank you, and you.
Okay, me too. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to share screen. All right, can you see the slide?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so this is our session meeting of our class English Phonology. So for today, we're going to talk about English sounds, bunyi-bunyi dalam bahasa Inggris, such as vowels, consonants, and diphthongs. Okay, in English, we have three kinds of sounds, just like what I told you before. We have vowels, consonants, and also diphthongs. Now, the first one is vowels. A vowel is a syllabic speech sound pronounced without any structure in the vocal tract. Like for example, this one ya, in alphabets there are 5 vowels only. Kalau di alfabet hanya ada 5 vowel. What are they, Maya? Can you say the 5 vowels in alphabets?
I'm sorry if I'm wrong, Miss,
Yes.
but for me that's our A,
I,
U, E, and O, Miss.
And O. Okay, A, I, O, U, and O. Yeah. Okay. Now, meanwhile, the vowels in English, there are several vowels in English. You can see here. Yeah. These are the IPA symbols. These are called IPA symbols. So we use symbol like this to say or pronounce the word, yeah, the sound especially. Okay. Now, in vowel, we have monophthongs and diphthongs. Mono means one, diphthongs means two. So there is only one vowel like this, for example, E. Yeah, E, U. Yeah, so there is only one vowel sound. Now, meanwhile, diphthongs, there are 2 vowel sounds. Like for example, coin, oi, yeah, oi. So there are 2 vowels involved in the word, yeah, when you say the word, the sound especially. So simple vowels are called monophthongs. You see that this is E, ya. Kalau ada titik 2 seperti ini, berarti dia agak panjang sedikit ngomongnya, quiet long. So E, ya, E. Can you say it? E.
E.
Ya, like in sleep, feed. Nah, kan ini E-nya ada 2 nih. Jadi dia pronunciation-nya atau bunyinya itu I-nya agak panjang sedikit. E, feed.
Feed.
Eat, silly.
Eat.
Ya,
Silly.
sleep, feed, eat, silly. And this one, it is short E, ya, as in eat, feed, kick, myth, and bitter. Nah, usually kalau dalam bahasa Inggris ada kata yang memiliki 2 huruf seperti ini, then you have to then the word or the sound of the word will be using the long E, ya, I dengan titik 2. Okay. Next, this one. Ya, as in N, bat, left, and letter. Okay,
Letter.
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 Okay, follow me first before we continue to A. Okay, next. Police,
Police.
Police.
feed,
Feed.
Eat.
eat,
Eat.
silly,
Silly.
Silly.
eat,
Eat. Eat.
Eat.
sit,
Sit.
Sit.
kick,
Kick.
Kick.
myth,
Meat.
Meat.
bitter,
Bitter.
and
And.
bad,
Bad.
less,
Less.
letter.
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 Okay, so this one is A, ya, N, and bad, less, letter. Okay, so these are called as monophthongs. Okay, monophthongs. So remember, when they only use one sound, ketika suara yang keluar itu hanya satu, means that it is monophthong. Okay, alright, continue. Nah, this is diphthong. Diphthong means that two sounds. Diphthong itu berarti dua suara, ya, dua bunyi. Okay, diphthongs are a combination of two different vowel sounds. One vowel sound turns into another sound as you say them. If you pronounce words slowly, you can hear the two vowel sounds of the diphthongs. Like I said before, like when you say, "Hey boy," boy. When you say it slowly, boy, ya, kalau boy aja kan nggak kedengaran terlalu signifikan ya, whether they use mono or diphthong. Nah, boy, oi belakangnya, oi. Like in coin, for example, coin. So oi juga ya, coin, ya, like that. So these are the diphthongs. What are they? Let's see. There are 5 diphthongs here. A, ni A, like in eight, like in eight, I ate meatball. Ya, bentuk kedua dari it. Eight. Rain. Flavor. Convey. Okay. Now this one is O and U, yeah, as in toe, row, boat, mode. Okay, so these are the diphthongs. Okay, yeah, diphthongs. So we have 2 kinds of vowels. They are, what is the first one?
A.
No. 2 kinds of vowels. As if the vowel sound is only one, it is called
Monophthong.
monophthongs. Okay, when there are 2 sounds of vowels, they are called diphthong. Okay, good. Next, we continue to the next, yeah. Or maybe before that, can you read this together? I'm not going to give example. You say it together. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sky.
This one.
Sky.
Okay, next.
Right.
Okay, this.
Cow.
Like cow, yeah, cow. Okay, next, this one. Now, okay, this.
Loud.
Loud. Okay, this.
Toy.
Okay, this.
Boy.
And this one.
Foil.
Foil, yeah, foil. Okay, oi also. Okay, continue
Okay.
to consonant. Nah, a consonant is a speech sound that is articulated with complete or partial closure of the vocal tract. How many consonants in alphabet? If we have A, I, O, U, E as vowels, so how many consonants left in
22.
alphabet?
22, Miss.
22.
Four.
22. Okay, so let's see here.
Yeah.
The English consonants. Now these are the English consonants. Can you see the table here?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss. Yes.
Okay, so there is the sound. Yeah, there are sounds. Yeah, the consonants and also the word. Yeah, so it makes you easier in pronouncing the sound. Yeah. We have the first one is p. P.
P.
P. As in P. P. P.
P.
P. Okay. P. Yeah. P. P. Okay. P. And then the second
P.
one we have B. B.
B.
B. As in both. Both.
Both.
Ya, jadi we're not talking about the letter here, but we talk about the sound. Jadi kita tidak membicarakan bagaimana mengucapkan, bagaimana huruf, bagaimana kata tersebut dimulai dengan huruf apa, tetapi apa sih bunyi dari kata tersebut, ya bunyi ya. So we learn about the sound, okay? The speech sound, not only the letter. Next, this is t. In
S.
T. Ya,
T.
In T.
ya. Next we have the as in
The.
dog. Ya, the
The.
as in dog. And then we have ch
Ch.
ch as in cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Can you say it? Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. Next we have J. June.
June.
Yeah, this is J. Yeah, June.
June.
Okay. Next we have K, like in car. Yeah, K, like
Car.
in car. Okay.
Car.
Why Miss? For example, Miss, why car? Kan C, Miss, depannya misalnya for example, it is C, but the way how pronounce it is car, ya, K. Okay, jadi so you count the sound, ya, not the letter. What letter? In the beginning. Next we have G, go. Go. Okay, let's listen and repeat after me. P,
P.
boat.
Boat.
P,
T.
dog.
Dog.
Cheese.
Cheese.
June.
June.
Car.
Car.
Go.
Go.
Okay. Next we have of. Now, sometimes I still hear some of you mispronouncing the sound. Ya, miss saying the sound. Beberapa dari kalian pernah saya dengar tidak bisa membedakan, mungkin miss aja ya. Like for example, when you say you want to say pen, pena, for example, but you say fan, Miss, can I borrow fan? Ya, so ada kekeliruan in saying S, V, and P. Like for example, van, ya, mobil, van. You say fan. Or for example, event deh, acara, ya, acara. Some of you still say, Miss, there is event, Miss, event, Miss, ada event, Miss. Nah, that's wrong, ya, because the correct pronunciation is event. With V. Okay, so when you say it of, like in event, itu salah. Okay, so you have to say event. Next, back to F. Of. Fly. Say it together. Fly. Nah, and then we have V. So this is V, ya. V. As in video. Okay, next we have this one. Okay, maybe I have already told you a bit about this in the previous meeting. We have So your tongue is in the middle of your teeth. Lidah kalian ini ada di tengah-tengah gigi. But you must not release it directly. But you have to hold it a bit. Ya, ditahan dulu baru dilepasin. Think, think,
Think.
think,
Think.
think. Ya, or thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Oke, good.
Thank
Nah,
you.
jadi bentuknya seperti ini ya. IPA symbolsnya seperti ini. Ya, lidah ada garis sedikit. Oke, this one teeth ya. Next.
Thank you.
Nah, when the symbol is like this, ketika simbolnya seperti ini, this is the, baca the.
The.
Ya, the. Like in this. So not all the word begins with the letters T and H must be pronounced as the. Jadi tidak semua kata yang dimulai dengan awalan TH itu pakai yang se. Semua enggak ya, tapi ada yang pakai se, ada yang the. Okay, so you must differentiate it. Okay, so
The.
this.
This.
Now we have se. Si. Si. Okay, next we have the. Yeah, the. As in zoo. Zoo. Okay, next this one we have shell. Shell. Okay. Okay. This one is television. Okay, television. Also ya, television. Yeah, okay. So this one is this is like in television. Vision. Yeah. Vision. Okay, next this one. As in man. Okay. This one we have n as in now. Now. And this and panjang sedikit ke bawah, that is eng. Yeah. So this is sing. Okay, next we have hat. Okay, and then we have love. Okay, L ya, l. Okay, then we have r. As in red. Okay, next we have w. As in wet. And then the last one we have ini penulisannya J, but the way how you pronounce it, y. As in yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now I will test you a bit. I will ask Ramses. Can you please say this word, Ramses? This one, Ramses.
Consonant, Miss.
Yeah. Well, how do you say this?
Think.
Okay. Next,
Think.
Maya. How do you say this one, Maya?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, Kika. How do you say this one, Kika?
Zoo.
Okay. Dinda, how do you say this?
Which one?
This one.
The last one?
Yes, the last one. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right, next. How about this? I will ask. Who else not yet, Tias? How about this one, Tias? How do you say this? This one. In vowels. Up. Okay. Yeah. All right, next. Who else? Asep. How do you say this one, Sep? This one, Sep. Oh yeah. Oh wait. This one, Seb.
Good.
Good. Okay, good. Digo, are you here, Digo? Digo? Okay, maybe Digo is on the
Digo
phone.
is bad.
Digo. Bupra, are you here, Bupra? Bupra? Hey, where are you? Putri Maharani, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you say this one? Putri.
Cat.
Cat. Hey, yeah, cat. Cat. Okay. All right. So far, do you have any questions?
Not yet.
Not yet, Miss.
Nothing. Okay, Tias, maybe you want to
Nothing.
ask Tias? Since your microphone is on,
Nothing.
before I give you assignment. Yes, Tias?
Nothing, Miss.
Nothing?
Nothing, Miss.
Miss,
Dinda, okay,
Can I ask?
Dinda. As usual, yeah,
How
you
to
always
difference-
ask. Okay. Yes, Din?
A. How to difference A, and A
Which one? Which
in
one?
vowel?
A.
In bed, teacher, and bird?
Teacher and bird. 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 Bird.
Teacher and bird.
This one, teacher. Teacher. E-nya,
Miss,
e.
how
Yes,
about
Din?
bed and bird?
What? Bat and bird.
Yeah.
And bird. Of course, different. This one using a. Bat. Bat. A. Bat. Ya, bat. Bird. Juga. Jadi yang satu yang satu ya. Bird. Ya, remember ada titik 2 di belakang sini berarti agak long ya. Bird. Ya. And this one teacher. Pendek. Oke, Din?
Alright, Miss.
Okay, you got it, Dinda?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, next, one more question maybe before we end the class. Maya?
No, Miss. Nothing,
No?
Miss.
Ramzi,
Yes.
your microphone is always on. You want to ask question?
Oh, miss.
No? Tia, do you want to ask question?
Yes, Miss. I
Yes?
wanna question what say television. Direct,
Television.
no,
Television. Television. Okay, and also you can access our materials in our e-learning. Okay, just don't forget to leave your comments there if you have any questions that you haven't or materials that you haven't understood today. Okay, now as for your assignment, I'd like you to find out 5 words per each. So 5 words for diphthong sounds, 5 words for monophthongs, and 5 words for consonants. And you also have to write down the IPA symbols. Kalian harus menulis IPA simbolnya juga. Oke, like this one, for example. Oke, jadi bukan hanya katanya saja, tetapi simbol-simbol yang seperti ini juga harus ditulis. Oke, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week. Bye-bye. I end this meeting ya. Thank you so much.
Itulah tadi cuplikan video mengajar saya di kelas melalui Zoom meeting pada mata kuliah English Phonology pada pertemuan kedua. Semoga video tersebut bermanfaat dan juga mahasiswa akhirnya bisa membedakan bunyi pada vowels, consonants, dan diphthongs. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.